Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today, we are very excited to introduce a brand new plugin that completely changes the way you write content in Joomla CMS. If you love the simplicity of Markdown but still want all the native power of Joomla, this is exactly what you have been looking for. With this plugin, your articles behave exactly like standard Joomla articles, meaning they are fully compatible with your existing tags, categories, and routing. The best part is that all the conversion from Markdown to HTML happens entirely in the administration backend when you hit save. This means there is absolutely zero extra load on your front end, keeping your website blazing fast for your visitors. Your content also remains fully searchable by Joomla's Smart Search. And if you ever decide to go back to the standard editor, you can simply delete the text in the Markdown field and seamlessly continue editing with traditional HTML tools. Let's see how it works in action. First, we need to install the plugin. We will do this the standard way by going to the Joomla Administrator panel, navigating to System, and uploading our zip package. Once it is installed, we just need to quickly find it in the plugin manager and enable it. Next, we need to set up the field itself. We will go to Content, then Fields, and create a new field. We will choose Phoca MD as the field type, give it a title, and save it. Now let's create a new article. When we open the article editor and click on the Fields tab, we can see our brand new Markdown text area. Notice how the standard Joomla editor locks and dims as soon as we start typing to prevent any accidental overwriting. Let's add some Markdown text here. Use the special More separator to split our intro and full text and click Save. Let's switch over to the front end to see the result. As you can see, the text looks perfectly formatted and renders beautifully as standard HTML. But that is not all this plugin can do. Let's go back into the plugin settings in the backend. Here, we can enable a great feature that automatically transforms our Markdown headings into standard article headings. Let's turn that option on, save the settings, and refresh our article on the front end. Now you can see that the headings are perfectly integrated and styled automatically. Of course, in the simplest scenario, this feature can also be used as an import tool. If you just need to import Markdown into a Joomla article, all you have to do is paste your Markdown text, save the article, and then simply delete the Markdown source. From that point on, you can continue editing your article using the standard Joomla editor as usual. It is that simple and efficient. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.